Okay, so this is with pendulum arm L1 at equilibrium and pendulum arm L2 at 30 degrees. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 did any rotations. Stop. Go. So this is with pendulum arm L1 at 0 degrees equilibrium and pendulum arm L2 at 60 degrees. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 is going to make any rotations at 0 degrees and 60 degrees. Alright, so this is with pendulum arm L1 at equilibrium and pendulum arm L2 at 90 degrees. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 made any rotations. So this is with pendulum arm L1 at 30 degrees and pendulum arm L2 at equilibrium. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 made any rotations. So pendulum arm L1 is at 60 degrees and pendulum arm L2 is at equilibrium. So pendulum arm L1 made no full rotations, while L2 made 2 full rotations. So pendulum arm L1 is at 90 degrees, while pendulum arm L2 is at equilibrium, or 0 degrees. So pendulum arm L1 made no full rotations, while pendulum arm L2 made 3 full rotations. So this is with both pendulum arm L1 and L2 at 30 degrees. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 made any full rotations. So both pendulum arm L1 and L2 are at 60 degrees. So neither pendulum arm L1 or L2 made any full rotations. So both pendulum arms 1 and 2 are at 90 degrees. So neither pendulum 1 or 2 made any full rotations. This is our 3 to 3.5 minute time trial. So the pendulum came to a dead stop with a time of 3:24:77.